I do. What did you do in therapy today?
With OT and Miss Melanie, we did penguin bobsled riding, and I won gold. The crowd went wild.
Awesome.
We also learned What Are the Winter Games book, and we read the first chapter about Shaun White.
What did you learn about Shaun White?
My favorite part was when I learned about the McTwist 1260.
What is that?
That's when White flipped over heels 2 times during a 3.5 spin. 1, 2, 3.5.
What else did you do?
And Shaun White won the gold medal.
That's right. I remember that. I actually watched that Olympics. That's pretty fun.
We looked at winter sports that can be done in a wheelchair. And I did a would you rather.
What is the would you rather?
Would you rather ice skate, snow ski, or do curling?
I think I would do snow skiing. What did you pick?
I chose ice skating.
That is so fun, and I think we should do it. I'm excited to go do that with you if it works out.